Hello everybody, I'm Ten Johnny Boy, and I'm warning you right now, this video is not edited at all. If you have a problem, please inbox me, and I'll try to take care of it as much as I can. Thank you. Feel like a small tube. Here, just like that, and then just turn it into like a little rectangle. Like that. Again, but smaller than this, so. And now, get another strip like this, and just cut little lines here. Like little skinny lines, like this. That right there. Just like that. And tape it on the bottom of this. And do that every like little bit of time. So tape one like right there. So you have one right there. Then cut another one. Another little strip, and then tape it on like a little bit further, you know, like right there. Tape it right there. Alright, so just like that, and then just keep going to the end. I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. Alright guys, I'm back and I got the rail done. Now what you want to do is just tape it on the bottom of the long way rail. So right here, tape it. Probably use some double-sided tape, that's probably the best solution. So you don't have to like, yeah. So like this. Alright guys, mine looks kind of crappy because my barrel is being really stupid, but basically tape it on the rectangle part from this, not this, the front of the barrel, from this cut area. So now you have a rail. Okay, now we're gonna work on the actual like grip detail. So this is where you might need your pencil, like I said before. So put your slide, or put your gun from the second barrel, from right here, the top of it, all the way down to your magazine, or your holder. So get a pencil. I don't have a pencil, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I have a pen, but this works just as fine. Alright, so get from your the top of your bottom barrel to the bottom of this, and basically trace like basically what I'm tracing. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with this thing. Alright guys, so you have your template, just get another piece of paper over it, and you can pause the video and make this just like your gun, and just cut along it, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done cutting this.
Become another person.
Alright guys, I'm back and I have the templates. And if you did drawing one, make sure that's on the side you can't see the drawing. So this is basically how the gun is gonna look with the detail on. This is just for detail. So as you see, that actually looks pretty well. So then just tape that on, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done taping it on. Alright guys, I haven't taped it on completely, but this is the end of part 5, and I'll see you guys in part 6. So yeah, Tenjari out.